Are you even changing clothes at all? Now that you guys are staying at home, are you changing clothes?
Yeah. Yeah. Missing someone.
Good evening, how are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Girl Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So I washed clothes. Okay, my sister washed clothes on Saturday, and it has been raining like crazy in Nairobi. So I just removed them from the airline, and we want to fold them. So how about we fold these together and cook some dinner? Is that okay? Okay, let's get folding. Forever, forever, forever. Da-da, 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 da-da. Nyaleo, nyaleo. So tell me where you are. Is it raining? Is the weather gloomy like this? Kenya mzima, or is it just Nairobi? Hmm? The weather is so gloomy. It gets to 2 p.m. in the afternoon and kunanyesha tu. Hmm? And I hope you guys are drinking your dawa, like lemon, hot lemon and ginger water, or hot lemon or hot lemon ginger tea. It's very good for you. It's very good. Okay, don't worry about my lighting. My lighting at night is shitty, shitty, shitty. It's 6 p.m. in the evening, so yeah. Okay, you guys like me, I have so many pair of jeans, but I always say that I have nothing to wear, and sincerely I have nothing to wear. Like, I look at this pair of jeans and I'm like, whose are those? Whose are those? Because I don't wear them. So I was thinking, after all this thing is over, all this quarantine and isolation thing is over, I'm going to donate them because they're still in very good condition and I don't wear them. Surprise! Oh my god, my sister just came with avocados. It's about to be a little meal. No, we are cooking rice today. We'll have the avocado with sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki is kales. They're vegetables. Somewhere between the week. It's Monday today. Yes. Yes. Tonight, I'm letting go. Tonight, I'm letting go. I'm letting go. My goodness. Tonight, I'm letting go. So you need for the by that one. First of all, ni obvious Nyashinski juu ya micro. Nina imagine nikiwa nimekaa when I'm doing something, yeah? Imagine ndio hivyo inakaa kwa akili yangu. First of all, ni obvious Nyashinski juu ya micro. Mimi sijui kwa nini wewe uko kwa yangu. I do not understand. I don't know why Nyashinski comes to your mind. That song. Not Nyashinski. The song. Sis, it is not Nyashinski that comes to mind. It's the song. There's a difference. There's a difference. A very huge difference. And by the way, during this quarantine, how many times are you guys changing clothes? Are you even changing clothes at all? Now that you guys are staying at home, are you changing clothes? And if you are, how many times a week? Lie to me, I hear. How many times a week are you changing your clothes? Oh, yeah, I know some people are not changing anything. They are wearing one outfit per week. So don't lie to us that you're changing clothes every day. Where are you going to? Oh, koso, koso. In other news, passion fruit. These are passion fruits. And then I'm currently obsessed with this Novita biscuits. Like every evening I have to have one. I don't know what these Novita biscuits did to me, and it's specifically the Novita milk biscuits. I love them. I love them. I'm about to cook dinner. We are having rice and beans, and of course we're going to do it together. Okay.
Yo que mi güey, tocaba tener. No wonder yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning and I don't know you wanna ride. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party, 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 party. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party, 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 party. I'm da da di da, da da di da. I'm stupid in love. I'm da-da-dee-da, 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 da. Stupid tonight, I'm feeling kinda lonely. Honey, honey, some get up for that. My favorite song is playing in the background. So come around, 'cause I lose you now. I'm looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy.
I want to eat this. It's passion. I want to eat this. It's bitter inside, so I have to add some sugar inside. Let me look for a spoon. Happy birthday to you. I want to show you inside the way it looks. So as that, I put onions and oil to cook. Before they turn brown, I'm going to have this, and then we continue cooking the beans. As I said earlier, we're having beans and rice. Don't worry about the background noise.
Set in my heart is a space to know you hold. Show me how to fight for now, and I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back until you once to figure it out. You were right here all alone. Let's get taboo. We're ready, taboo, 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 taboo. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't.
I'm going to put in some salt. So this is what happened when you're watching a movie. That is a very so. I'm going to cook rice, 1 cup of rice. So if I'm cooking 1 cup of rice, that means the water that I'm going to put is two of this, and you add just like a little after that, two and kidogo too, just in case, as guarantee, just in case it doesn't do the way you want it to do. So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt and cooking oil. Okay, so I cook rice in 2 ways. Sometimes I just put it like that and put the rice in. Sometimes I let the water boil. Sometimes I fry the rice. Like, it's not even 2, 3 ways. Yeah, today I'm just going to let it be warm a little bit. So I'm just going to wash the rice and put it inside. Okay. I will, Lord of mercy. Okay guys, good night, good night, good night. Food is ready. I'm just going to show it to you in a minute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.